a video is circulating all over social media, and yeah, on August, and most of the times August in Nigeria is meeting for the women. So a certain man stormed this August meeting in anger, tried to drag his wife out of the meeting, and people and the whole thing, the whole saga disrupted the meeting, and the people in the meeting, everything scattered and everybody was talking, and he got a lot of attention in the social media. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, I need you to watch this video for yourself and see. Obviously, some people have seen it, some people have not seen it.
Look at God, this is God. What is this? The one more cow. You should have waited for her to come home. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Can you imagine?
So from the video, you see that the man is now saying, you left your sick son in the hospital and came here to do August meeting and all those things, Kwado. So are you trying to tell me that now this woman for real happened in a hospital? Wow, Kwado ke chafunisi, Biaba another and it's still not be August meeting in the name of meeting, while their sick son, is in the hospital. Okay, and this man is like, I need to go there, I need to go there with you when on the man I'm up there, ejibese the guy. First of all, people are saying, imagine this is what the woman is going through in the house. That's why they still do it outside and all that. Onwe hoga nke beziokwu bụ onye obuna si obolia, onye obuna si obolia, because you cannot tell me no bu no oge nwa ka your wife hapo nwa na hospital ma chapter bia no do na meeting. Would you take it likely? Secondly, before the men will crucify me there, Abiana Anibo, Odika sif that no look all for the woman to take care and to nurture the kids. That the men, even the men need nurture kids, take the children to the hospital, take them to school, take care of all those things. That the guy is a rare breed. Most of the times, it's a rare breed in recent times to see a guy man on a family and men see it as na the guy na messy home wine or not, but is not only the children are not only for the woman, it's for the man also, and most times people feel that if a man start doing all those things, no what you know, because at the end of the day, because somebody never can blame one why, mob can blame one okay. You got it wrong. You are wrong, because family is family. The bond your kids have with you, with their father, with their mom, is going to you oga linger for the long run. Because when you start seeing families fighting, they're fighting over money, they're fighting over wife, but if there is close bond with your home, with your family, don't disrespect your wife, do not disrespect your husband, because men value respect out of everything. You see Nigerian men, don't give them anything, but you see that respect, they value it a lot. That's why they start saying, he doesn't respect me, do everything, but give me that respect. In as much respect is earned, you don't just demand respect is earned. Give one, you can't be doing anyhow now. Just leave your good, like, because if una too leave the children. Who is going to take care of their kids? Yeah, what can happen? One was now Balabanko, why I happen a family now Balabanko, that's why you see a lot of things, crime. And then onye nke azuzuru gboga agbogo onye nke azuzuru gbada agbada nwa emel ichom ke ichom nwa nwoke ichom ke ichom okpol side chick ogbada nwa akpol sugar boy ana agayeli obodo ana ayasa. Family is family. Value your family. Your family is your world. Your family is everything. They say family over everything. I'm your girl Bella. If you're not my regular watcher, I don't know what you're doing. Every now and then I bring things that are happening for you and I to learn. We learn from hearing, we learn from seeing. Don't forget to like. Palava, you know the finish. Peace out.